Hi, my name is Zach Oster and I'm a student physical therapist from Temple University. I had the privilege of working here at Robbins Rehabilitation over the summer. I'm from the Lehigh Valley, so I thought it was a great experience being able to come back to Lehigh Valley and finding a place that I enjoyed so much. For me as a student from Temple, I really am involved in the manual therapy aspect of physical therapy. And so I fit in well here at Robbins. They put a major emphasis on using manual therapy. And they're all very skilled at the techniques and new techniques that I didn't know. So it was a great experience to come here and have day in and day out chance to work with individuals who had these skills and who could teach me new skills. In addition to having this great manual therapy education or manual therapy expertise at my disposal, I was able to be acclimated into the clinic very quickly because of the environment that they create here. At many places I've been to, I'm unable to get right into working as a physical therapist and practicing my techniques because I'm unsure of how they're going to react and what they think of me. But here at Robbins, they really acclimate you quickly and make you feel like you're at home and that you can ask questions and have a productive conversation with them to learn, which is what you're here to do. So it's definitely a benefit for being a student here at Robbins Rehabilitation. In addition to the positive learning environment that they create and the positive role models they are as physical therapists, they also are positive role models in the community. I think it's important that a physical therapy practice be embedded in the community. And while I was here at Robbins, there was at least 3 different opportunities for me to be involved in community outreach and volunteering experiences. And they had tons more on board getting ready to roll out different initiatives. And I think that's important, and that's things that you don't see in outpatient practices that are connected with big hospitals or that are conglomerates owned by other big companies. You can only really achieve that with a family-based practice, and that's what you get here at Robbins. I couldn't have asked for more working here at Robbins. The high level of knowledge with manual therapy, the great environment for learning, the great experience of meeting new people that are like-minded and positive role models for a physical therapist student. I greatly appreciated my time here, and I think that I would love to be employed here at some time. So I think anyone who's looking for a good experience in the Lehigh Valley should definitely look at Robbins Rehabilitation for their physical therapy education.